What's up? I'm out here with the Zing 110 again for another flight. I've tried to fly this with a 2S and it doesn't seem like it really likes 2S batteries. It's really weak, and I think that's because of the low kV of the motors. I think the motors are only 4,000 and something kV. So I'm out here with a Tattu 450 milliamp hour 75C 3S battery, and it's the stick type. And so we're going to test it out. So let's get it in the air. Let's try punch out with it. Oh, something in the back hit a prop. Let's check it out. Okay, so it seems like it was this. I got this little FPV antenna on the outside of here. Sheesh, and it came right off, this little thing here. And so now it's really a whip antenna. So hopefully, it seems like it's stiff enough to stay there. Maybe I might put this back on. Not sure how. It just slid right off. It doesn't seem like it was actually attached to it in any connective way by how it came off, and now it's just a little whip antenna like that. But let's take off with it again. Well, wait a minute. Let's see. The feed looks a lot worse though. I can say that. Yeah, the feed looks horrible now. So I guess it did have some kind of benefit of being on. Let's see. Yeah, it looks horrible now. I guess we'll probably just fly it line of sight, but let's look at a punch out. So nice punch out. Got the rates up pretty high on this one. This thing is a great flight. I'm thinking about swapping out the motors though. I don't like the idea of not being able to pick which motors I want to fly. Well, being able to pick which props I want to fly. Huge power loop. So not bad. Actually feels similar to the 110 GT. Of course not the same power, but close. Bring it back over. So I don't have the FPV. It seems like it stretches out of the frame, so I can't really see what the battery's voltage is on. And it doesn't work through beta flight, so I don't know how to really adjust it. No beta flight pass through with this Flycolor FPV OSD. Let's check the punch out. Still has a bunch of power on it. And we hit a little branch over there. Oh, we might be able to still get up. I think I've had enough fun with this thing. Time to test some of my other birds. Take advantage of this beautiful weather out here. So let's bring in the Zing. So that's it. Quick line of sight demo of the Zing 110. Pretty awesome little flyer, but I don't really think I like the motors too much. And oh, I did try this. The motors are only 4,000 and something kV, so I actually tried this with the 4S because the ESCs are 12 amp ESCs. And so when I tried it with 4S though, it didn't seem like it liked it too much. It didn't break it, but it just didn't seem, something was a little off. So I just would rather fly it with a 3S. I think maybe the 4S was a little too heavy. It was a 650 milliamp hour Tattu 4S battery, 75C, and it just didn't seem to like it. So I'm gonna stick with 3S on this one. And if I change the motors, I think I might swap out the motors, and then I'll probably fly this thing 2S. I do have some new Airblade UAV 10,000 kV 1104 motors. So I was really thinking about putting those on here, but those motors are such a high kV that they're only asking that you use 2-inch props maximum. So this thing takes larger than 2-inch props, so that's why I'm pretty much undecided on if I'm going to use those. But anyhow, thanks for watching.